Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the ElevenLabs sound effects feature. So this is a new feature of ElevenLabs that just came out, and you can basically create any sound that you want with this feature. So alongside speech, voices and projects and also dubbing, we now have sound effects right here. So you can just type in it. This is a free feature right now, but of course you have limited quota, but that is usual. Right, so you can imagine a sound and bring it to life, or explore a selection of the best sounds generated by the community. Describe your sound effect and then click generate. So you can just create any sound that you want. For example, let me type waves in the ocean. So just type the description of the sound, so how you would like it to sound. As you can see, you can have a limit of 300 characters. And now we just need to tap on generate sound effects right here. And now it's bringing my imagination to life. So this doesn't take too long, which is very, very nice. But it's also a bit slower than the voice generators, as you can see. And they create 5 generations. So depending on your sound, they create generations. So this can either be 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 in this case. Okay. And as you can see, this sounds very, very good. So basically, if you want to download this specific sound, you can tap on this download icon right here. And let me give a listen to this one. So this one is quite good as well, but I think I like the first one a bit better. I don't like this one that well. And what you also can do is you can just play with the prompt. Of course, you can, for example, say waves in the ocean, heavy storm, and now tap on this one as well. So now it generated again 5 options. So there's like a sea, like a storm in the sea, in the ocean. As you can see, this is a bit more rough, and yeah, basically you can play around with this. You see my quota is going down quite fast, so keep that in mind. When you use the speech option, it's a bit, you can do a bit longer with your quota, so keep that in mind. Yeah, so if you want to download it, you can just tap on those icons or right here, and you can see the length of the sound. Yeah, so basically I hope this video was kind of helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.